Snipe Squad, what is going on? Back again. It is your boy Sniper Jones. I am back with another video for your head top. What is going on, everybody? Merry Christmas to everyone at home with your family, sipping eggnog, sipping something else. Today is the Christmas video. I was very reluctant into deciding if I was gonna upload this or not on Christmas because I know everybody is busy with their family, everybody's opening gifts, and that's how it should be. But you know your boy Snipe, man, I had to upload with something else. Now, first of all, man, before we start off this video, it's only right we start talking about the end of the year, because the end of the year, man, the year's honestly blown by. So what I want you guys to do right now, if you're excited about year 2020 and you want things to happen and you want goals and you want dreams to be achieved in 2020, you know your boy motto, man, everybody want to be famous, but who really put in that work though? We gotta dream big 2020. If you manifesting that 2020 is gonna be a lit year, I'm gonna need you to smash that like button. I'm calling it now. We weren't able to hit 100K this year, which is perfectly fine. I appreciate everybody who did come through, subscribe, watch the videos. Every last one of y'all, man, it really matters to me. I was saying this on my live stream. Make sure the notifications are on as well. I go on live streams a lot, and I'm gonna start doing it even more in the future. So 2020 is when we are hitting 100K, and we're just gonna keep moving in a positive direction. Who knows what businesses, what companies we're gonna be working with, all types of stuff like that. But if you wanna manifest as well into year 2020, hit the like button. I'm gonna be looking at the like button, just seeing how many people with that positive energy today. So as you guys know, it is December, man, and December is owned by Kanye. We all know the Bread 11's drop, but I said this numerous times. Kanye has took over December with so many Adidas drops, it's crazy. And with that being said, if you're dropping 4, 5, 6 pair of shoes in a month, some of them, my brother, are going to be some hot trash. Today, I will be showing y'all not just the worst Yeezy of the month, because they are. This is the worst Yeezy of 2019. And I'm so happy we get into 2020 because I don't want to see no more models of this shoe ever, okay? It's straight up garbage. Comment down below right now what you think they are before I show them. And I don't know, man, that's enough talking and rambling. Y'all be on me in the comment section saying I talk too much. So without further ado, I'm gonna get into the video. But I do want to say, guys, follow me on Instagram. It is linked down below. I'm trying to hit 20K on Instagram, and I'm very, very close. For all my people who already follow me over there, then you already know that is where I post a lot of sneakers for sale. I give you guys a lot of freedom to help me create content, whether it's helping me with video ideas, all types of stuff like that. And even if you do help me with video ideas, I shout you out in the video as well. So if you want to become more a part of the channel, then Instagram and Twitter is definitely the way to go. Both of them are linked down below. Take you right to my profile. Here we have the Yeezy box. Now, of course, I know y'all are thirsty. You know what I'm saying? The Yeezy box is turned upside down. You know what I'm saying? Last time I did a video like this, all y'all did was try to read what number was on the top of the box, which is very smart, by the way. You know what I'm saying? It's very smart. But I took it amongst myself this time to not show the side of the box for y'all cheaters out there. Now, this shoe, of course, is not mine because I'm not going to be buying no trash shoes, even though I really have before. Shout out to my boy George. He let me see these because he bought them, and I was like, yo, bro, these have to be the worst looking Yeezys I've seen in a very, very long time. There's not really too much I didn't like, man. Like the 750s weren't really my thing. The 950 boots weren't really my thing. But I mean, as far as like sneakers, yeah, these the worst ever. Let me get my thumbnail on real quick, you know what I'm saying? Let me see if I can get it right. I know y'all say I make that face like all the time. So what? Okay, so what? So we about to open these up. I'm gonna keep it over here on the side. You know what I'm saying? I'm not letting y'all see. Bro, these are ugly. They still DS too. Oh my goodness, bro. If somebody in the comments say these are fire, we throwing hands. That's on me. We throwing hands, man. I can't do it. I can't do it, bro. The ugliest Yeezy I've ever seen in my life has to be the Yeezy 500 High. I think it's called like the Slate or something like that, bro. This is hideous. Look at this. Bro, what in the world is this? Come on, man. Come on, man. We can do better than this. Yay? Yay, we can do better than this. I'm showing y'all up close and personal. Look, this shoe was not meant to be a high. It looks absolutely disgusting. So this is why I had to call the shoe out, okay? I'm not opposed to 500. So to all y'all who saying, hey, look, man, you just don't like 500. You're wrong. Up here, I got 500s. I got the bone white. I got the utility black. I got the super moon yellow. I like 500s. And ironically, they are the sneaker with no boost, but yet they are the most comfortable. As you see right here on the Yeezy box, there is no boost on the box. Oh snap, I hit myself in the mouth. There is no boost on the box. That kind of almost gave it away. I didn't really want to show the box too much, but it is supposed to be the most comfortable. But we all know the 500 is the ugliest, okay? I know it's ugly. Sometimes ugly sneakers can be dope. It's a lot of ugly shoes out there. It's pretty cool. And they're extremely comfortable. Now, I guarantee you that these are probably just as comfortable as the other 500s. Maybe even more, because I got like some ankle support up here on the top. And it still does have like that 500 bottom. But this high is so ugly, bro. I can't even begin where to go. I know some people bought this, but this shoe is still available right now on YeezySupply.com, which is very big because there has been no Yeezy that sat online at all. I mean, the Zebras re-released like 30,000 times. They sold out again in no time. You all know with the 700 V3. I know a lot of y'all thought it was gonna be the 700 V3s, but I actually really like that shoe. And I was trying to get that shoe, but I told y'all that the Ye Chills was gonna be my last Yeezy of the year. So I didn't hit, and I think that was like, you know, God saying, nah, bro, you gonna hold up to your word. I did say I'm not buying no more Yeezys this year. So when it comes to Yeezys, man, you gotta understand a few things, okay? How wearable is it? All my Yeezys, bro, I can run through the mud. I got a lot of shoes behind me. To be honest, I don't really wear a lot of my wears, a lot of my shoes that I wear on a daily basis are about comfort. Because now I'm at the stage now where it's like, I'm not trying to be in a pair of uncomfortable shoes for an hour and a half. If y'all ever met me at SneakerCon, I was probably wearing Boost. If I weren't wearing Boost, I was wearing something like very extreme. I even be running into people in my slides. They be like, Snipe, where the heat at? The heat at the crib, all right? Like, my feet gotta live, okay? Nothing wrong with Jordan. I love Jordan brand. I rock Jordans all day. But a lot of the silhouettes are very uncomfortable. 11s can be a little uncomfortable. 5s can be very stiff. 4s can be very bulky. So Kanye is definitely leading in that category of style and actual comfort, but he is losing every way possible with a pair of these. If I was to get these for free, I wouldn't complain. Would I wear them? Probably not, because I do have a lot of shoes that's better than this that I haven't got a chance to wear. You was getting these for free, so if anybody got these for Christmas today, I'm sorry. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna hold you. I ain't saying your Christmas gift is trash, because anything is good when it's free. All I'm saying is, for me to go out my way and pay $200 off the hip for these retail, yeah, I won't be able to do that. So these sold in like a few Foot Lockers, not nationwide, like not nationally wide. And I'm happy they didn't, because they would have been sitting on shelves till about at least next December. They were more widely available on Adidas.com and Yeezy Supply. Like I said, they both are still sitting. I don't know like how many sizes are left on Yeezy Supply, but if you guys actually wanted these for whatever reason, you can go on Yeezy Supply and try to get your pair, because yeah, man, they are there. Now this size is size 13, so I know it's not like the most sellable size, but even in smaller sizes, they still ugly. I did see some YouTube reviews on these before I even seen them in hand, and it was ugly then. It looked like boots. It looked like the boots, and I don't even like the newer Yeezy boots that's out right now. That was still like not my thing, man. Just to get a quick comparison here, so like, see how, like, they added the whole column. Maybe the bone white isn't the best with the light reflecting off the studio. Let me grab another pair real quick. All right, so we got the utility black. There we go. You can see that one. So you see the difference. This is the difference. That whole ankle part up top. And like I said, some people might think these are ugly. You know what I'm saying? There's nothing wrong with that, because it is an ugly shoe. But they done made an ugly shoe uglier, okay? You know what I'm saying? It's like, I ain't really know you can make an ugly shoe even more ugly, but y'all did it. Anyways, man, I'm not gonna hold y'all any longer. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please comment down below, is this not the ugliest Yeezy to ever drop with Adidas? I cannot imagine a 750 uglier than this, 700 uglier than this, 700 V3 isn't uglier than this. This has to be the ugliest shoe of all time that Kanye has made with Adidas. Guys, make sure you hit that like button if you're looking forward to year 2020 and you got dreams and goals that you're trying to chase. Me personally, as I said in the beginning of the video, I will be chasing mine. Until next time, it is your boy Sniper Jones. Merry Christmas to everybody watching. Merry Christmas to your family, to friends, everybody who's tuning in today. I will get up with y'all next time, and you know I cannot leave without saying everybody want to be famous, but who really putting in that work though? Snipe Squad, I love y'all. Dream big.